Alright, so what's up everyone? Welcome back for another video. If you're not subscribed, hit that button and subscribe. If you're already subscribed, thank you very much. You're awesome. Today we're going to try to primer the car. So let me show you where we're at. So I still got to wipe it down once again, but the spray can of primer that I had, I just hit up all the spots that had the Bondo body filler on it just to give it like a little pre-wettening, because I did see somewhere that said to like wet it once, I guess. So this is where we're at. Got everything masked off, and we're basically ready to go. So not too bad. The only spot that's not masked off is this, and there's one on the other side, but it's kind of like a vertical spot, and I really don't care if I get some overspray on it. I probably won't get any overspray on it because the spot where it is, but even if it does, I don't care. No big deal. So first things first, I gotta clear a bunch of shit out of this garage because everything will have overspray on it. I do have some covering to put over stuff that I have to find where the hell I put it, but like mainly that stuff and probably that stuff I'm gonna like drape it over. Main things that I really want to get out of here: wheels, bumper I don't care so much. I'll probably just take that out just because it's big and it's on wheels. That rack for the back of the pickup truck, probably gonna go bye-bye. That wheel. And then I don't know what else I'm gonna take out. I also had the idea of trying to make like a curtain around the car so I won't have to do that, but I don't know if that's gonna work out too well. So yeah, let me just move stuff around. Let me get stuff out of here. And hold on. There's one spot that's actually annoying me. I'm probably gonna wind up just mixing it up. Very little amount of body filler to fill in these little holes right here. It's gonna be the main thing. So I'm gonna mix up a little bit, put that in there, let it dry while I'm cleaning all this stuff out. Sand it down nicey nice, and then probably paint. As much as I want to just pretend that that spot's not there and just spray over it and then maybe fix it afterwards, might as well do it now. Put all this effort into this already, so let me just try to do my best now instead of having to do it again. Alright, so not too bad. So looking like now, just gonna let that dry and then sand it down. So let me start cleaning this stuff up. Getting the gun set up, and then I gotta wipe this down. I have a tack cloth and I do have paint prep, so I guess I'm gonna do all that quick, then mix the paint. It's 1-to-1. It's the Rust-Oleum stuff, so don't know how it's gonna work. I don't have one of those measuring cups. So I'm gonna have to figure something out. Maybe maybe we'll get like a solo cup or something and fill it up to a certain spot twice, I guess. I don't know. Let me wipe this thing down. So I'm not completely sure exactly how to mix this, so I'm gonna take a cup. I don't know what line I'm gonna go to. Made a line in the cup. I'll do that. It might wind up being too much. Maybe I'll even do less than that for now. Let's try less. All the way down there. Do less than that because this thing is that large. Definitely gonna make a complete mess. Probably should have got one of those funnely things. Took a ton of mixing. The top was brown and then it was all congealed inside. I had to make up a little tool. Helped out a little bit, but made a little bit of a mess. And I guess we're gonna pour this into this cup and make more of a mess, and then we'll start spraying, I guess. Screw it. I got it mixed up. It's about half of this thing, so hopefully we'll figure it out. Not so much, you know, let's give it a half. Coming along now. Gotta hit these spots up again. This side's not looking too bad. Yeah, so one coat done. One coat down, 2 more to go, I think. And fun fact, this reducer stuff right there eats through solo cups, so one-time use. That's what happened there. Coat number 2. Only just roof is tiger stripey. The rest is actually pretty good coverage. There is a couple spots here and there that has some dust in it. They're but obviously you're gonna get that with the garage paint job. But I could always touch this stuff up if I sand it down, and then I do have that other can of primer. Maybe I could touch it up with that, I don't know. Fenders look decent. This top part looks pretty good, but down here, not too bad also. This one looks a lot better than the other side, but yeah, not too bad. Pretty happy with that. Just gotta work on getting the roof not tiger stripey. Probably gonna start getting all the stuff together to do the third coat in a minute or so. Not too bad. All right, third and final coat is on. Roof looks a little tiger stripey, but if you go in with the light, it's not. I think that's just like the texture that's kind of in the paint, because it's sprayed on super thick there. There are a couple spots like that, over here, obviously, that you're gonna get some stuff from the doing this in the garage, but that will sand out. Hopefully I'll do some light sanding on it, very light. My friend that kind of knows how to do some body work told me to do 600 grit, so that's what we're gonna do. To sand it down a little bit. And he also said the primer doesn't really like UV light, so then I will wind up having to primer the car again. So since it's already masked off and this is basically half the car like this, I'm just gonna order some paint and leave the car like this, and then I'll just paint it. Not that I really want to, but it'll give me this week and maybe some of next week, or whenever it comes to take care of the couple spots that need fixing. I'll show you this other spot on the other fender. Let's see it, but right here, that needs a little fix. Over here needs a little fix. Other than that, I'm really happy with how the roof came out. Remember there was a dent over here somewhere, that's gone. Paint seems to be dry. The aftermath. Yeah, not happy about that. So yeah, I want to thank you guys for joining me on this video of me primering the car. Like I did say, I am going to order some paint probably right now after I get off the camera with you guys. Not 100% sure what color yet, but I have an idea. I'm like 99% sure, so I'm just going to look at a couple. Maybe we'll look at like Eastwood and just see what's there pre-mixed, because since I'm going to be doing this in parts, I'm going to just pick a straight color and go with that. As much as I would want like a pearl or like a flake, it'll be harder to mix that to match the rest of the stuff to that when I finally get the other stuff. Plus I could probably screw that one up a lot easier, so straight color most likely. I will see you guys in the next one. Wish me luck. I don't know if I'm gonna do it on video, on camera or not, but I will wind up sanding that down a little bit in like a few days. I forget how long it says it's got to sit before you start wet sanding, but I'm gonna do that. Go very light with it. Like I said, 600 grit, get everything nice and smooth, and just cross our fingers that the new paint will come by next week and we could try to do this next step. So thanks for joining. Subscribe, like, comment. Didn't really film much of what I was doing, but if you saw me do something wrong, let me know. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.